up, bro? Oh, he there. Oh, shoot. Hey, we got to do the push-up. We got to do the push-up. You ready? We ready. Come on. Ah. 2, 3. You got to give me a count. Give me a count.
6, 7, 8.
Wow. How many you got?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
Jeez.
44, 45, 46.
Oh.
7.
Ah. He's still going. Jeez. God dang. Yeah. It's love. Look at the shirt though. It's love, bro. It's love, bro.
I'm so happy to meet you.
You've been going crazy, bro.
I'm so happy.
You've been going crazy, bro. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
25?
Yes.
Yeah, let's mic him up real quick. You 25?
Yeah, I'm 25.
You from Rwanda, right?
Yeah, I'm from Rwanda.
We trying to go there.
Yeah.
I want to go to your hometown.
Yeah.
Have you been to Ghana before?
No, it's the first time.
First time?
Yes.
So where all have you been in Africa so far? What places have you seen so far in Africa?
No, there's no place I haven't this time.
Nowhere?
Yeah, nowhere.
You haven't been to Nigeria, nowhere?
Nowhere.
Dang.
Yeah. This is my first flight.
First flight?
Yeah.
No. Love, bro, love.
Yeah.
Dang, okay. So, what got you into fitness? Like, how did you start fitness?
Fitness.
Yeah.
It's in 5 years ago.
5 years?
Yeah, 5 years ago.
Only 5?
Yeah, only 5.
Chat. Bro killed me in the push-ups. I ain't gonna lie to you. So these two right here, Ashton Small, you're gonna be helping me select the African National Hall.
Yeah.
So you already locked in with me because you've been putting in work. Me and you locked in, right?
Yeah.
But I want you to choose the African National Hall. And they both asked to race me, so I want to see who's faster between them two. So they're gonna line it up right now. Let's do it. Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
You ain't got no shoes on though, bro.
I'm going to use my
You got no shoes.
I'll use my barefoot.
Barefoot on concrete? Oh, he's different. Barefoot on concrete? Ah! Dang, that boy, I did not think he was gonna hop out. I knew somebody was coming. I didn't think it was gonna be him though.
Yeah.
It's love.
No.
Where are we going to go to? Where you want him to go to?
He gonna call it out. How long? 50 meters, 100 meters, how long? 50? 50 meters.
Yes.
They're gonna run 50 meters.
Yeah.
Let's have him run this way.
Huh?
Let's have him run to us.
All right, bet.
Stay over here.
So chat, we came out here to find African National Hall. You saw what we did in India. We brought the guy from 400 followers all the way to like 1.4 million. Shout out to Indian National Hall. He's coming out here too, with me and my brother, Ashton Small. But we did it in India, and they kept tagging me in all these African videos, so I said, bet.